Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics step by step. Begin by building a strong foundation in fundamental concepts. Don't rush. Ensure you truly grasp each topic before advancing. Pay close attention to the mathematical tools, especially calculus and algebra, as they are essential for solving physics problems. Visualizing problems with diagrams and free body forces can significantly enhance your understanding and problem-solving abilities. This initial phase is crucial for long-term success. Once you have a solid conceptual understanding, it's time to dive into problem-solving. Practice a wide variety of numerical problems daily to solidify your knowledge. When faced with a complex problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Don't just solve. Review your solutions to understand different approaches and identify areas for improvement. Consistent practice is key to developing strong problem-solving skills in physics. To deepen your understanding, create concise summary notes for quick revision of key formulas and concepts. Engaging in discussions with peers or instructors about challenging topics can provide new perspectives and clarify doubts. Furthermore, attempting past exam papers under timed conditions is an excellent way to simulate the actual test environment and improve your time management. These advanced techniques will help you consolidate your learning effectively. To sustain your progress, maintain a consistent study schedule, even if it's just for 30 minutes each day. Staying curious and exploring real-world applications of physics will keep the subject engaging and relevant. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals to support your learning journey. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and enjoy the fascinating world of physics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.